Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Today is a new day, and yeah, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe.
Not just subscribe, like, comment, share also.
Yeah, please do. It will be helpful for us. And yeah, today we have started a new day. Today is a bit sunny and foggy also. And today we started our journey towards northern part of the Sikkim, which is most adventurous part of the Sikkim itself.
We are not just traveling to Lachung.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I forgot to mention that we're not traveling to Lachung because of heavy rain and a landslide. And there is a wooden bridge which is flowing over the river, which is not in good condition. So then, hence, we're not traveling. But we choose a different route altogether, which is directly we are going to Lachung. Lachung, right?
Lachung, just
Yeah.
Lachung.
Just Lachung, we're just going.
Lachung, no, just Lachung. Lachung to not.
Okay, Lachung, sorry. I have a problem with the naming of Lachung and Lachung. So, whatever, yeah. So, today we're traveling there to Lachung. In Lachung we'll be staying today. Today almost it will take 6-7 hours to travel there. And then tomorrow we'll try to go to Yangtan Valley. Not try, we'll definitely go to Yangtan Valley. Then 0 point, first 0 point, then Yangtan Valley on the way. And day after tomorrow we might travel to some other place called Kotal. Then we're thinking to go to Zulu village also. Yeah, and that's our upcoming itinerary. Stay tuned and be with us, and we'll see. वाटरफॉल के उधर ब्रिज बनेगा।
हाँ, पहले वो नीचे वाला था, ये सभी टूट गया।
नीचे वाला पूरा विलेज।
इसी वजह से टाइम नहीं लगा।
The road we are going through is the alternative trail to Chungthang, and you can see throughout the road there is so much of landslide happens. This also took place I think 1 or 2 days before. This is the aftermath of the landslide. Throughout the road we can see the trail. The actual road will take almost 4 hours to reach to Lachung, but because of this alternative road, this same journey it will take 7 hours, and it's very dangerous and treacherous road also at the same time. So until the main road in instant gets open, this is the alternative road we have to go through. Because of that we didn't face any landslide throughout our journey. Actually that's a good sign for upcoming trip, and we are just enjoying the road. Almost 5 hours of drive. We arrive in Chungthang Valley. This is, you can see, Chungthang Valley actually it's part of Mangan district, and again it's a district headquarter. So this is the place where the disaster happened. As you can see, there's a reconstruction going on throughout the dam. It will almost take another 5 to 6 years to complete the whole Chungthang Valley Dam reconstruction project. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Kitty. Good cheese.